Let's talk about Doodle Maker. It's the animated doodle video creator that helps your message stand out and stick. With Doodle Maker, you can easily craft eye-catching whiteboard, blackboard, and glassboard-style animations that grab viewers and keep them engaged. Doodle Maker's drag-and-drop interface is very simple to pick up, and even if you've never touched video editing software before, you'll be able to produce solid content. Doodle Maker gives you over 300 pre-built templates that you can customize with your own text, visuals, music, and voiceover. The AI-powered engine will help you create basic animations based on the text or a script from a pasted YouTube video link. The software gives you text-to-speech in 60 languages, one-click language translation, and image-to-sketch converter. Speaking of assets, Doodle Maker comes with an extensive set of custom doodles, icons, backgrounds, and a royalty-free media library to give your videos a desired look. You can create in multiple styles: whiteboards for explanations, blackboards for that classic vibe, glassboards for a modern aesthetic, or your custom color background. You can also pick the look of the drawing hand, which is a great thing to have. Now, a lot of video makers will cost you dearly with expensive subscriptions. But with Doodle Maker, you can get lifetime access for a one-time price and unlimited exports. On top of that, there are frequent deals available, which puts the price even lower and makes pro video animation within reach for almost everyone. Of course, no solution is perfect. Some users have complained that the software is too limited for advanced customization. Plus, unless you're intentional about it, some of the transitions and effects can look a little cheesy. Moreover, some folks have experienced bugs like the inability to preview the scene or errors in rendering. There are also some frustrations around importing your own custom visuals and assets seamlessly. If you want to learn more, I'd encourage you to watch this in-depth overview by the Doodle Maker review channel here on YouTube. As always, link in the description.
So you can see the voice options right here. If you click on this, there's